Good morning, guys. My name is Tone. Just want to share with you guys the land that we bought, 1.25 acres out here in Florida. Getting the culvert put in today. Hope you guys will follow us on our little journey of what we're trying to do out here. We want to build a little farm, a little homestead, maybe a barndominium out here, plant some vegetables, and maybe in the future even some animals. It's only 1.25 acres. It's raw right now. We have to get it all cut down. Today they're just starting on the culvert today. It's out here early. It's cold. It is cold. We want to get it flattened maybe next week. Like I said, get the culvert done today, get the land flattened next week. Maybe the forest, get the people over here to do the forestry forestry mulcher. Get that done next week. So it should look something like that one, and that's the one we wanted to buy, but couldn't get a good deal on the price. You can see they already got it flat. They already put the culvert in, and they also put the fence all the way around, so hopefully that's what ours will look like before winter break is over. There's actually some more land over here too. There's like a lot of different lots right here going down this street, and I'm looking at, I want to purchase at least maybe one or two more in the future. We'll see what happens. So hope you'll follow us on our journey and what we plan on doing to this property. Like I said, we want to put a barn door on here. Me and my wife Josie, we want to put a barn door on here, and like I said, I want to put a lot of garden boxes out here to start gardening. I garden at home right now and I'm running out of space, so this is what we want to do here. I'll take the drone up in a little bit, and so you guys can get a better view of what the property looks like. But you can see those like red flags right there, and then it goes right here to this pole right here with the little red thing on there. And it's really thick. I thought I was going to be able to come up in here and try to cut some of this stuff down myself, but it's not happening. So I'm gonna have to pay somebody to come in here and cut all this down. And we want to also get our permit for our water well, to get that put in too. And I got a couple ideas on how to get the stuff watered until then. I got trees growing at home already. I already have some papaya trees, banana trees, lychee trees, and what else I got at home. And I plan on buying an avocado tree, and I got 2 mango trees as well. So we want to put those in here as well. So, but yep, hope you guys will follow us on our journey. All right, so he's finished now. So we'll walk in here. Said to stay off of it for a couple days, let it dry. It's gonna turn white. And you can see he went a little further than what I thought he would to help me out. He went further in there with the culvert. So you can see that fence lines up over here, and he went a little bit more farther inside the property. And more than likely, I'll probably pay him to come back. He's on vacation next week, the week after that, to do the land clearing. Still trying to negotiate the price, but he don't want to buckle on the price for me. But we're gonna have to see what we can do. But this should all be flat in about another week and a half to 2 weeks, and then we'll get the well guy here to install the well, and we'll get it going from there. So that's what we have for right now.